Hello dear children, Sai Ram. Welcome back to Social Studies class. In today's class, we will begin with chapter 14. Before we begin with chapter 14, let's do a small recap of what we have learnt in previous classes. Name the seventh largest country in the world. Yes, children, already you have learnt this, right? Yes, which is the seventh largest country in the world? What is the answer? The answer is India. Okay, India is the seventh largest country in the world. I hope you all know this. Now, what is the capital of India? Yes, children, what is the capital of India? Yes, this is the map of India. You can see the map and identify the capital of India. This is the political map of India, right, children? Showing 28 states and 8 union territories. Do you remember the names of 28 states and 8 union territories? Yes? So what is the capital of India? Capital of India is Delhi, right? Do you remember? The capital of India is Delhi. So today we shall start a new chapter, chapter number 14. The name of the chapter is, yes, Delhi. Okay? So today we will learn more about Delhi. Now children, observe the map and answer the question, in which part of India Delhi located? Yes. Yes, children? See the map. In which part of India Delhi located? Yes, this is Delhi, right? Can you all see where is Delhi? Here it is, right? This is Delhi. So Delhi is located in which part of India? Yes, it is located in north of India, right? Delhi is located in north of India. Which are the neighboring states of Delhi? Which are the neighboring states of Delhi? Yes, children? Here it is Delhi. You can see Delhi. It is located in the northern part of India. Yes. So, from east, you can see from east, it is bordered by Uttar Pradesh, right? From east, it is bordered by Uttar Pradesh. And from north, west and south, it is bordered by, which state is this? Read the name, children. Yes, it is Haryana. Followed, children? Okay, so Delhi is bordered by two states. There are two neighboring states of Delhi. One is Uttar Pradesh and another one is Haryana. Followed? So, children, now you can answer which are the neighboring states of Delhi? Haryana and number 2, Uttar Pradesh. Followed? Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh from the east and Haryana from other 3 sides. Now children, observe this map. Yes, you all can see this map. Now this map, this is the outline map of India, right? Now on this map you have to locate Delhi. Can you locate Delhi? Yes. This one is Uttar Pradesh. And here it is, this one is Haryana, right? So this one, can you see this? The small circle. Can you see this one? The small one. So this is Delhi. Followed? This one is Delhi. So how will you locate Delhi? By drawing one arrow and you will write Delhi over here. Followed? This way you have to locate Delhi on the map of India, on the outline map of India. Now children, Delhi is the union territory, right? It is one of the union territories of India. All of you have learned this, right? It is one of the union territories of India. So Delhi is also called as, yes, can you recollect? Delhi is also called as what? It is also called as National Capital Territory. So Delhi is the union territory of India and it has got the status of National Capital Territory. Now just now we have learned Delhi is bordered by two states. Yes, which are the two states, children? Delhi is bordered by two states. From the east it is bordered by, yes, from the east it is bordered by Uttar Pradesh. Okay, from the east it is bordered by only one state, that is Uttar Pradesh. And from the north, west and south, that is from the other three sides, it is bordered by, yes, what is the name of that state? It is bordered by Haryana. Followed? You have to remember, it is bordered by two states, that is Uttar Pradesh from the east and from the other three sides, Haryana. Now children, try to observe the map. Yes, you can see one river flowing. Yes. What is the name of this river? It is written over here. You can read the name. The name is Yamuna. And here, this part is Delhi, right? So, where is Delhi situated? Delhi is situated on the banks of the river Yamuna. Followed, it is situated on the banks of the river. Which river? What is the name? Yamuna river. Followed, it is situated on the banks of the river Yamuna. Now see this map. This is the political map of Delhi. You can see one river. This is Yamuna river, right? This river is Yamuna river. You can see here the northeast and the east. Okay, the northeast part and the eastern part of Delhi is situated on the right side of Yamuna river, and rest of the Delhi is situated on the left hand side of the Yamuna river. So it is flowing from the corner. Followed? It is flowing from the corner of Delhi. Now children, try to understand the map of Delhi. Okay, here the districts are shown. Now can you see this? This part, this is New Delhi, right? This part is New Delhi. See this light pink color area. This area is called New Delhi. And this one is Old Delhi. Followed? So Delhi consists of two parts. Okay, Delhi is made up of two parts. Which are the two parts? New Delhi. And children, New Delhi was built by the British. Okay, New Delhi was built by the British when they shifted their capital from Kolkata to Delhi. In the beginning, the capital of British was Kolkata, and later on they shifted their capital from Kolkata to New Delhi. Okay. And the second part is Old Delhi. Old Delhi was built by the sultans, or you can say kings, who ruled on Delhi, by the sultans and by the Mughals. It was built by them and it was ruled by them. So children, let's follow the structure. The capital of India is Delhi. Delhi has got the status of, yes, it is also called as National Capital Territory. Delhi is the Union Territory and it has got the status of National Capital Territory. So the capital of Delhi is New Delhi. Followed, the capital of Delhi is New Delhi. So capital of India is Delhi, which has also got the status of National Capital Territory, and its capital is New Delhi. Now children, let's do a small recap of what we have learned today in the form of fill in the blanks. Number 1, Delhi is the capital of, yes children, you all should be able to answer this. Delhi is the capital of, what is the answer? The answer is India, our country. Delhi is also known as the, yes, it is the Union Territory, so it is also known as, yes children, what is the answer? National Capital Territory. Followed, it is also known as National Capital Territory. Now Delhi is bordered by dash in the east. Yes, in the east it is bordered by which state? What is the name of the state? Yes, we have learnt in today's class. What is the name? Uttar Pradesh. And dash on the other 3 sides. And it is bordered by Haryana on the other 3 sides. Delhi is bordered by Uttar Pradesh in the east and Haryana on the other 3 sides. Yes? Do you remember the map? I had showed you the map, right? You have to remember. Delhi is situated on the bank of river. Yes, which river? It is situated on the banks of the river Yamuna. You can see the map. The map is also given in your textbook. You read the textbook. See the map. Delhi consists of 2 parts, dash and dash. Which are the 2 parts? Yes, one part is old and another part is new, right? So the old part is called Old Delhi and the new part made by the British, built by the British, is called New Delhi. Followed Old Delhi and New Delhi. Now let us solve the objectives. Now these objectives are taken from the textbook. It is given in your textbook. Say true or false. Delhi is the capital of India. Yes? You can also mark the answer in your textbook. Delhi is the capital of India. True or false? True. The answer is true. Delhi is situated on the bank of river Hooghly. On the bank of river Hooghly. True or false? What is the name of the river? Hooghly or Yamuna? It's Yamuna, not Hooghly. So the answer is false. Haryana is a neighboring state of Delhi. Yes, Haryana is the neighboring state of Delhi. True. The answer is true. Now this question is also from the textbook. Where is Delhi located? We have learnt in this session, in this class, where is Delhi located? Yes, we have learnt the map. Delhi is located on the banks of the river Yamuna. It is bordered by Uttar Pradesh in the east and Haryana on the other three sides. Yes, followed children? So, we have come to the end of this session. In the next class, we will continue with the other subtopics. Be healthy, be safe. Thank you, children.